Why such a rush, then, to issue debt at this point here in Europe?
Hi, Anna. Good morning. So basically, the market remains pretty benign, right? It's January, so everything resets, the fund managers' accounts and things like that. So there's a lot of money in the system to be reinvested. Also, investors, they're very, very, very much looking for opportunities in the market. And bonds are turning out to be one of the sweet spots of this year. And that's because last year they fell so much, the market was so destroyed by the volatility, that this year they are seeing as an opportunity.
Yeah, we've had a lot of guests talking about opportunities in fixed income if you see a recession coming. Mark?
Priscilla, good morning. So as you say, people looking to buy, add in duration, buy bonds, they've got money to invest. But are you surprised by quite how well the market has absorbed such a large amount of issuance, especially given Lagarde and the rest of the ECB have not backed down from their hawkish message?
No, so Mark, good morning. So I'm not surprised, to be honest, because if you think about it, only a year ago, those bonds being issued in Europe, they were paying a 0% coupon, right? So if you're an investor and you're looking at this market now and you see, oh, I have this high quality European corporate that is paying 4%, so why not, right? So the market fell so much last year that this year it can only rally, right?
OK, and this is a market for which timing is incredibly important always, Priscilla. Do we expect further issuance then? If that's what we're seeing at the moment, there's huge amounts of issuance. That's going to increase supply in the market? Is that going to put downward pressure on yields later on in the year? How is this going to plan out?
Well, it depends on how you look at this, right? There are several ways to explain this. It all depends first on how the broad economy plays out. If you're going to have lower rates for longer, if there's going to be an impending recession in Europe compared to the US, how the fundamentals are playing around. And most importantly, we have an earnings season coming up in Europe for corporates. And that is going to tell us a little bit about the corporate, it's going to tell us a little bit about the health of these companies, right? What happened to them last year when inflation was at record highs, and what's going to happen to their balance sheets and their returns. So there's a lot to be seen. But what we're seeing now, this record amount of issuance, it's not expected to last for long.